Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Yeah! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, AS 0. I'm joined by Nkanyiso.
Yeah, from Greater Springs.
Yes.
Yeah, nona iSundowns kusafuneka ilungise le ndaba ukuthi masithola ama corner kick emuva.
Yeah.
Asikhona ukwa defend.
Yes.
And manga check all the time siyaphuma kuma CAF nakuma cup final. Sinokukhishwa nje ama corner kick nama free kick.
Yes, yes.
Funeka sizama ukucontrola leyo ndaba leyo ngoba iyahlula vele at all.
Yes.
Once kwaba icorner kick baskorela Pelile ngathi.
Yes.
Nokunye nduna indaba kaFohloza ngiunderstand kwiSundowns.
Roman Force.
Abazange basi respect lapha nokulanda Fohloza.
Why?
They must respecting iSundowns bafethu.
Akadeserve.
Akadeserve bafethu.
He's not a quality coach.
No bafethu sinabantu abaningi la kuSundowns ade kufanele sibalande kuSundowns. Ngabalanda uBenny McCarthy wathatha le position hayi uFohloza.
Yes. Yes.
Yabona ngabalande uBenny McCarthy wathatha le position le kwaba right because le kaFohloza ukusehlisa isithunzi le lo umuntu ufuna ihambele balanda uBenny McCarthy.
Yeah, akadeserve iSundowns.
Lapha nje baskemile ngoFohloza.
Yes.
Yeah, baskemile.
You deserve better.
We need a good person lapha for their position.
Benny McCarthy.
McCarthy right kakhulu ntoni. To just to motivate ama player ethu.
Yes.
uFohloza yena azoyitshela ama player Sundowns.
What?
Wenzeni la kuSundowns? Wenzeni la South Africa? Ucoachile South Africa mara wenzanga nix. Bathi ke into engithandile ngeSundowns mina siyakhula all the time. La kwiCAF nangathi uyacheka nduna iCAF since ithathe 2016.
Yeah.
We supposed to do better now.
Yes.
We understand kwiCAF ukuthi idlalwa njani. Yabona masiyale ngakabole ya team le team esidlale nayo manje.
Yes.
Bazosinika iproblem nduna.
Yoshawa le?
Yeah, kufanele senze sure ukuthi angeke shaywe nduna. Khona nduna la eteamini, i-team ne-team mayizodlala bafa. Kunabantu abahambayo bo analyze le team le. Babebuya back batshela ucoach ukuthi le team i-weak la, i-strong la. So that ucoach kuba lula ukuthi asethe ischeme yathola baba.
Yes.
Yeah, if la abantu bafaila kuzofaila no coach.
Yes.
You understand?
Yathola.
Labantu laba kufanele be-analyze i-team, kufanele be-analyze into right so that uma nqoba kuzoba lula umsebenzi wabo.
Exactly.
Yeah, uma nqoba thothi kuba nzima noma esethi ischeme.
Yeah.
Mayisetha sekungazi ukuthi u-wrong but today abamncedi labantu abathunyelwayo bo-analyze igame kufanele ba-analyze ngendlela eright nakuthi bakhona kuSundowns mari ngiyazi bakhona
bangamsabotage.
hayi nduna but enye into-ke kuma-supporters ethu bafowethu.
Yes.
asimekheni sure ukuthi siya-attenda ama-game ethu eSundowns siyaya estadium bafowethu.
Yeah.
Kuzosisiza lokho ayikho i-team esebenze njengemamelodi Sundowns. Yabona i-team hayi i-Chiefs asibali banabo 10 years labo banabo 15 asibabali labo. But iSundowns asingasukufeyila ama-player ethu asisupporteni iSundowns siyene estadium.
Yes.
Yabona.
Yes.
Ibalekile lo nduna angeke i-team yethu yenza kahle so but kwi-attendance yethu isithini sibancane.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah.
Yabona nje kwi-game okhethi shorten okunye ke singakusho nduna igame yesikhukhune Saturday.
Yeah.
Hayi badibene nemvula baba.
Isikhukhune.
Hayi nduna laba sodlula ngofonile lapha.
Fonile over Isikhukhune.
Yabona le Betterway.
Yeah.
Yona sizoyithatha.
Yeah.
Ayethu le. Ngenkani yonke into cup efika ye-league izothathwa iSundowns until ama-team asesowethu athi sorry Mamelodi Sundowns.
Batheni.
I-league sizoyithatha until esowethu bathi siyaxolisa Sundowns. As long bengakaxolisi i-league isazohlala la ePitori. Yeah, i-league yona sizoyithatha until they say sorry. Lama-cup la amancane bangasirobha kiyo basisabotayize kiyo ngoba nangathi uyachecka nduna iSundowns bayisabotayize. Sibuya ama-player ethu abuya kwi-CAF aba-reverse ama-game.
Yes.
Maningi ama-cup esesiwadlalile ndona uthi uyachecka ama-player ethu aphumula 2 days adlala i-final.
Yes.
uyabona ukuthi vele ayikho ifair lapho mara akunankinga nduna yiligi yona sizoyithatha until they say sorry.
Man of the match.
Hayi man of the match bafo i-Brazilian blind nduna
Ribeiro Costa.
Rebelo ayisiya abantu banokuthatha uRebelo bamqhathanise noTito nduna la ungabeka ubuke ama-video kaRebelo noTito uzobona bafu ukuthi what is the quality, what is the quantity.
Ubani quantity lapho?
Obvious bafo.
Ubani quantity?
Oh baba the Brazilian bafo.
Quantity.
Hayi bafo. Hayi. Yeah, right. Yeah.
And then you call it to Tito.
Ah bafo hayi uTito akusiquality la. No dlala ibhola la sestradini lela nto. Asikisi bafo ngisapha.